You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals negative 83 over 100. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 40 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by negative 50. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals negative 83 over 100.